So here are 3 questions that are from the past paper about time measurement. They should be quite simple. Pause the video, try them now, and we'll go through them together.
A few moments later.
Alright, the first question. I don't understand why this could even be a past paper question. I mean, if the time starts at 0 and the time shown is 0106, then it's simply 60 seconds plus 6 seconds. So the answer is simply 66 seconds. The next question, one thing you have to pay attention is the starting time is slightly off by half second. So here you also have to account for that as well. So you just have to deduct that half second. So it should be 46 exactly. So 46.0 seconds. Lastly, for the pendulum, it said there will be 20 complete swings a time, and the time is 30. So for one complete swing is simply 30 divided by 20. So 1.5 it is. Very simple, isn't it?